What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crazy Scale Models. Today we got another assembly line car build. This one is going to be the C7 Corvette Grand Sport. After this one I thought I had one bike. I have two bikes. So we have two more bikes. We have two more builds after this one. So we're going to get this camera switched around. We'll get this box opened up and we'll get this one slapped together. Alright guys, got the C7 Corvette done. Again, pretty easy. It just feels good between big builds and in the middle of stuff to do something kind of quick and easy. Get a decent end result. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, we have 2 bikes left. So if you guys want to see more of this, let me know down in the comments and I'll go buy some more. They know they have like, I think they have a Ferrari, a Lamborghini. They have some other ones. So we can keep going on these. I might still do it anyways. But until next time, take care guys. Have a great week and keep on building.